Okay, now this one is a little bit more difficult. This is a triangular pyramid. Okay, so it's a triangular pyramid. So now, how do we find the volume of that? And the volume of that is, again, if we find the area of the base, okay, so we call that the area of the base, and we multiply that by the height of the pyramid divided by 3. And we could find out the reason why it's divided by 3 in a moment. So in this particular case, if we call this, say, 4 and say 3 here. So again, if we use the formula to find the area of the base, which is 1/2 times the base times the height, so it's 1/2 times 4 times 3, 4 3s are 12, which gives us 6 units squared. So that's the base of that. But we want to add that to the height of the triangle. And let's just say the height here is 6 units. Okay, we didn't put that in before, but we'll just say the height is 6 units. Okay, from inside the middle right to the tip is 6 units. Now, one way to think of it is if we continue this particular shape on to make a square, you'll see that roughly the inside here is 1/3. Okay, it's not 1/2, it's actually 1/3. There are 3 parts in there. 1, 2, 3. If it's going on to make that cube, there are 3 parts inside. So that's why it's divided by 3 and not 2, because there are 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So putting our formula into effect, the volume would equal the base, which we calculated here, to be 6 units squared, and that's multiplied by the height, which is in this case 6, divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, times 6 is 12 units cubed. 12 units cubed. So the important thing there is just to visualize it. So if you draw that triangular pyramid, it up into a square, it turns into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 equal parts. That's why it is divided by 3. And that's the same in the case of any pyramid. Any pyramid, you'd find out the base, and you'd multiply that by the height divided by 3, because there are 3 parts to it. Okay, simple when you think about it like that.